Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Chheda. I'm a business trainer and coach. In this lesson, you're going to learn a tool which is called Flashfill and the other tool which is called Text to Column. Both are very useful tools. So let's see first Flashfill. So I have a text here in the column B where I have the first name and the last name. My requirement is that I want to separate the first name and the last name. So here in the column C, when I'm using the flash fill tool or I want that to give us a result, then it has to be in the next consecutive column. So I'm using column C. What I'm going to do is first type the word Vijay and press enter. And immediately I'll start typing the second first name, Aman. As I just type capital A here, only A if you type, you will see a suggestion will be shown to you by Excel. It recognizes our pattern, what we are trying to look for, and as it suggests us, we just need to press enter. Immediately, it recognizes the pattern and gives us the result when we press enter. The next thing, I want the last name. So in column D, I'm going to type the last name, Chauhan, enter, and then I just press the next last name first alphabet K and it suggests me and I press enter. So this way quickly we can get the words separated from the text. Now one more thing we can do here is, let's say I want to write an email ID with the help of first name. I can just type the first name @ let's say gmail.com, enter, and I start typing the next one and it will suggest me according to the pattern what I'm trying to do. I'm just going to press enter and immediately it will give me the entire list of email IDs. So this was about flash fill. Let's look at text to column. So in column J, I have a text list which was similar to in column B. So I'll just select first that, then go to data tab. In data tab, we have a group data tools in which we have the button text to column. So here also I want to separate the first name and the last name with the help of this tool, which is text to column. So click on text to column. It will show us a box and where below we will see the preview of the text which is selected, and by default it is showing us the delimited. So it recognizes what is the delimiter. Delimiter here is the space. So now we click on next here. As we click on next, it will show us which are the different delimiters can be there in any text. So by default it is showing us tab as selected, but we don't have any tab space. So we are going to select the space. So as I select the space here as the option, in the preview you can see a line has come. That means it is going to separate this into two columns. So we click next and then click on finish. So it has separated the words first name and the last name into two columns. So these were two tools which I wanted to show you all. So do practice this and thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel.